Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori, Miss Lady, depending on who you ask. Shithead, I don't know. It all depends. Anyway, do you guys remember my new stationery subscription box that I got? It's from my paper box, the one that has this right here, that has my name on it. It comes personalized. Okay, well, I ordered another box from them that it's not personalized, but because of my obsession, and you'll see them sometimes around the room depending on the video, but up here you'll see a lot of elephants, and above my bookcases right here I love elephants. So this is the Safari stationery box. This is also from my paper box, but it doesn't have the personalization on it. You just order this one. Sometimes this may not be in stock. I was lucky. I went back and checked, and there it was. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I was so excited, especially when you see what it has inside. Now, here's a question I got. It does come with this catalog. It's like a book. Check this out. Okay, there's tons of stuff in here. Lots of merch. Lots of upcoming, past, current boxes that are going on right now, and so forth and so on. But doesn't this seem like a waste? I mean, I'm just asking. I mean, hopefully people, if they're not going to use it, put this in a recycle bin. But I was just wondering, it's coming from a paper box. They're talking all about and how this business came into, you know, how it was birthed, how it was created, and the steps that this young lady took to make this company. And then you get this huge catalog of just stuff, you know what I mean? It was the first thought that went on in my head. So pardon me for thinking that way, but it's like my paper box, recycle people. Okay. Anyway, let's move on. I got some stickers. There's two kinds of stickers. I was kind of sad because there was only two with the elephant that say never forget who you are. Because I wanted to pass these along like in my little giveaways and so forth, little beauty bundles, cards to somebody. And then there's this cute one with the giraffe that says stand tall. They're cute. And so you just peel them off the back and stick them. And then there's these with these cute little pink envelopes on the other side. Of all things, I am a Leo, born in August. Yes, these are the personalized stationery and gifts, which is what the company is, my paper box. This is a greeting card set with blank envelopes. And check out who's on the front. Is he not majestic or what? This is Leo the lion. I mean, it's not, but you know what I mean? I can say it is. I can, because I can do whatever the hell I want. This is my envelopes. This is my greeting cards. You might end up getting and receiving those one of these days if you win one of my beauty bundles. Okay, and then, remember I got the ones that have my name on them? This one says One Tall List. I like this box, you guys. I really did. And I'm going to put their information down in the description box. If you're interested in this subscription, I'm telling, if you like stationery like I do, if you're obsessed with stationery like I am. I said it in another video, I think the BOXYCHARM. I just bought myself from Amazon the old-fashioned pencil sharpener. It came with a tin of pencils. Look at the different, check them out. Even though they are already sharpened, I still have to sharpen them when I use them. And they will get matching erasers on them, because I'll do that. I'll buy them. I'll just go to the store or go somewhere local and I'll purchase some erasers to put on them, because I have an obsession with pencils. And I love to write, and I'll write until the pencil lead is just like needs sharpened again. My point is, I bought the old-fashioned pencil sharpener, the kind when you were in kindergarten and first grade. You walk in the door, boom, it's right there on the wall. Remember those? And you just go up there and you crank it. And it's got like 7, 8, or 9 different whole sizes for your crayons, and the teacher's big old red pencil that she marked your papers up with. I know that's a big description. You know the kind I'm talking about. I ordered that one. Anyway, These are flocked pencils. There's 8 of them in here. It's just cuter than hell. I was supposed to say heck, but no, they're cuter than hell. And then check out these. These are just blank cards. I think, are they blank? Listen to me. They're just blank cards. No, I think they might say something in them. We all know you're lying about your age. Yes. Happy birthday. Check that out. There's 2 of them. We all know you're lying about your age. I love it. I love it. This is cute. See, that's what I'm saying. It's so cute. And then these are the planner stickers. I wish they would have given me ones that I can use in that journal that I got from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles from Erica on the Cozy Christmas collab. That one, I use this every day. It schedules all my videos, lets me know what boxes come in, what boxes I've ordered, new subscriptions that are due, and how much. It's got everything in here. And then, of course, from my paper box, has my notepad with my name on it. Yes, it does. So see, I write down everything. My point is, I wish they would have given me stickers that say something like video, 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 video. Although I did just buy me a big old huge collection of the gel pens. They're all different colors. Because I love the 0.5 and 0.7 I think it's millimeter, the points. Anyway, we're getting off track. Okay, and then there's this one. My elephant. So my elephant, my lion became the, you know, I love giraffes, but you know, my elephant, my lions. Is this one blank? I think this one's blank. I don't want to take it out because it was tough to pull it out the first time and put it back in. I will never forget how awesome you are. So that's what it says in the inside. I will never forget how awesome you are. Well, of course, because it's an elephant and they say elephants never forget, because they don't. Just don't even try to tell yourself that they do. They just don't. And then there's this, which you can put up and use a dry erase marker. It has the little squares on it. And on the front, this is, you can just like, because it's laminated, you know, you put your month right there. And then if you can see the little squares, I know it's hard. It's damn light. Anyhow, it has little circles on here that you can put the day of the month regardless of what it is. So you can put August and then start wherever August starts. It's got, you know, the 7 days. And on the back, it says, don't forget. So it's kind of like your little notes. And you can put this anywhere on any refrigerator magnet, you know, just get a little clip that has a magnet on it and put it anywhere. I mean, it can go right here on this mirror. This mirror is not a good mirror. It's an antique mirror. The reason why I never use it, and I talk to Smart Cookie, or Sassy does a lot, is because it has a lot of flaws in it. But it adds character. But you know what? You could put it like this. You know what I mean? I'm just suggesting. Anyway, it's got the elephant on one side. It's got the giraffe on the other. But that's it. That's everything that came in that box. I mean, it's not bad, you guys. And I can't remember how much I paid for it, but don't worry about it. That part's going to be right here on the screen anyhow. So what'd you guys think? Pretty cool, right? I mean, it's my obsession. It's called the Safari Box from my paper box. All right, let me know your thoughts about it. Let me know if this is something that you'd be interested in. And don't forget, even if you are, the information is going to be down below. Go check them out. All right, you guys, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.